Okay, here's a nice old compressor, two-stage compressor, 2 horsepower, 220 volt single phase. Work in your home shop, in your garage. Probably a 60-gallon tank, an old workhorse. Right now it's got about 100 psi in the tank. I'm going to let the pressure out. You can see it cycle on. Should cycle on about 90 pounds. Okay, so that's going to cycle on. It'll take about 2 minutes for it to get back up to about 120. There we go, shuts off at 120 pounds. Of course, that's adjustable. You could take this cover off, this regulator here. The range can be adjusted up or down. Took about 2 minutes to go up from the 90 to 120.